360 booth would have 10,000 studios installed if there wasn't an issue for space. We do need a minimum of 30 feet of length and 2 feet larger than the width of the studio. And a question is, if I put my studio close to my detail bay, one, can you, and will it get hurt? No, it will not. And yes, you can put it close to your detail bay. The walls are plastic, the steel is powder coated, the cloth top is really the only issue. I don't want a lot of moisture to get near it. I'm going to do a little close up, pour some water on the studio and show you it's no issue. All right, here I am. I'm going to use my demonstration with water again. As you can see, the back of the studio is all steel, powder coated, and the walls are plastic. I'm going to pour some water on it and you can clearly see nothing's happening. It's very durable. Yes, you can put your wash bay next to the studio. I would be cautious to keep it off the cloth top so we don't have any stains.